Hello students, so welcome back to the next session. Today we will discuss box plot. Already bete we have discussed quartile, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. These terms were already discussed in the previous session. So box plot means these are descriptive diagrams because they will give you the actual measurement. It is not going to give you any probability distribution. That's why it is known as descriptive statistics. So box plots are descriptive diagrams that help compare the distribution of different series of data. They are descriptive because they show measures, they show actual measures. They are not probability distribution of data. So it is a visual representation of 5 numbers. And what are those 5 numbers? We will have series of data, and in using box plot, 5 things will be labeled. What are those 5 things? From the data, it will represent the minimum value from the data, the maximum value from the data, the median. Okay, the median means the average, and then the first quartile, that is 0.5 of the data, and the third quartile, that is the 0.75 of the data. So these 5 things we will have using box plot. So let us see how to draw our box plot. So to draw box plot, we are having the function box plot. Here I am having the series of my data. Okay, and you can easily draw the conclusion that how this box plot is being drawn. Just look at this values. 14 is the minimum value na? And which is the maximum value? 95. It means this one should represent 14. Yes, it is 14. And the topmost bar, this topmost should represent the highest one, 95. And here the mid value, it will give you the median. Okay, and this one, it will give you the first quartile, and it will give you the third quartile value. Okay, so box plot give you the 5 measurements of data. Okay, some other attributes are also there. Here we are having the vertical box plot. If you want to draw horizontal box plot, then what you have to do, you have to just write the attribute vert is equal to false. Means we have to change the alignment. Earlier it was vertical, we have to make it horizontal. So you have to write vert is equal to false, and then notch is equal to true. Notch is equal to true means it will give you a new form of box plot, that is known as notched box plot. What is the difference? The only difference is in place of median, it will be notched. It will be the shape will be changed. Where it will be changed? It will be changed at the place of median. Just this much only. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to use vert is equal to false if you want to change the alignment. If you want to make it horizontal, then you have to write vert is equal to false. If you want to make the notched box plot, then you have to use this one. Okay, so notch just means narrowing the box plot around the median. Okay, if you will make it true, then your box plot will be narrowed near to your median value, and you will have the result like this. Okay, so we have discussed in this chapter line chart, bar chart, histogram, then our box plot. So these were the different types of plots that we have discussed in this particular chapter. I hope you have understood all these types of charts and what are the different functions that can be used for different types of plot. For example, for line chart, we are having the plot function. For scatter chart, we are having the scatter function. For histogram, we are having hist function. For box plot, we are having box plot function. So you have to just keep in mind that which function is used for which particular of chart, and what are the different attributes. If you want to change the color, the line style, then those attributes can also be used. We have already discussed that how our chart can be saved in our system. We have already discussed that how multiple charts can be drawn in a multiple views in a single view also we have discussed. So, and the significance of legend, all these things should be keep in your mind. So one more video I will share you that which type of questions will come from this particular chapter, so that you will be more clear about this topic. So I hope you have understood all the types of charts. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.